I'm back. How's it going, guys? Crush Sports Cards here, and today I'm back. I was out of the hobby for a little bit. I got a job. I've also got a Reached affiliate on Twitch, which will be linked in the description in case you want to shout out a follow. Really appreciate it. But yeah, I've been just kind of busy with life over the past little bit, but I'm back. I'm hoping to get at least a video every other week. And today we just have some quick little mail. Let's start off with this one here. Alright, so this actually comes from the expo. There was a virtual expo recently, and I just spent like $50 and I got two cards that I really like. Hold up, let me see if I can just... Just gonna get open the tape here. Put on the sleeve, bruh. Oh, come on, man. I don't think I have a big enough sleeve for this. Whatever, I'll replace this sleeve after. But for our first card, we have this limited trios of Jonathan Toews, Patrick Sharp, and Marian Hossa from 11-12 Limited. All patches. It's numbered to 25. This cost me $30. I'm fairly happy with that. I'm gonna put it in a sleeve when I'm done with the video. And then this other card I was really excited for because I got it on a good price, and it's player I collect and just a good card. It's an on card from SB Authentic, Alex DeBrincat Limited Auto Gold. Really nice card. I really like this one. This is from 18-19 SBA. I'm going to put it back in the sleeve. Actually, no. I don't want to smudge up the auto, so I'm just going to get a sleeve from my sleeve pile over here. Alright. I'll put that in a top loader when I'm done with the video. And then we have our other mail here. You open that. This is a purchase off of eBay. It's actually we're doing a little bit of a pack opening as well. Very nice packaging. Product I've never opened before. Bit risky as well, but I think we can pull something from it. We have 3 packs of 0708 Series 2, and we're hunting for a Toews Young Guns. So let's get started. If I pull a Toews Young Guns, I will flip my shit. Alright. Yeah, Alex Katalik, I'm going to need to base her a little bit sticky. Brent Seabrook. Mark Savard. Hold on, let me just get this a bit more in frame. Ryan Smith. Lubomir Wisnowski. Matt Sundin. Chris Mason, and a Matt Molson rookie from Victory. Slap that over there. Alright, next pack. They have a Victory card in the back, which is nice, so I don't end up accidentally spoiling the pack. You have Marc-Edouard Vlasic, surprised he's actually in the league for that long. Ray Whitney, Brett Sopel, Brian Cow, Ruslan Fitazonko, whatever the hell, Paul Ranger. Alright, we got a Hometown Heroes of Mark Recchi. for the Penguins. Nice looking insert there. And we have Alexander Radulov Victory. Final pack. Come on. Give me the luck. We have Aaron Ashani, Doug Waite, Bruno Gervais, Mark Parrish, Decoy, Marco Sturm, Keith Kachuk, Tobias Nordstrom, and a Tobias Stefan rookie. So nothing there from those 3 packs. But yeah, I just wanted to come back into the hobby, and I figured I might as well just do like a little small mail. And it was a pretty good mail. Yeah, anyways, that was today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.